I got here a Poulan Weed Eater, and I have to change the primer bulb. As you can see, this one here's seen better days. So the first thing we're going to do is take out these two screws right here. Now I'll go around to the other side. I'll take out this screw here and this screw here. Now I need to remove the spark plug wire. Now I should be able to just lift this up, push the wire through there, take it off. Right here is the back of our primer bulb. So I need to squeeze these two prongs right here in to remove that primer bulb. And I usually use a pair of needle nose pliers. You can also use pliers. You just squeeze it in on both sides. See here, it should pop right out. Now I'll go ahead and remove this fuel line here, since it's the shortest fuel line, and it goes here on the back. And I should be able to pull the primer bulb on out. Get the handle out of the way here, just turn it around. Pull this out a little ways. Now I got both of them right here. What I'll do is I'll pull this bottom hose off. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it right like this until I get the new primer bulb over here. There's a new primer bulb. Part numbers right there. Okay, here's the old one, here's the new one. I'm going to take this gas line off and put it on this shorter tube sticking up, just the same way it is on the old one. Now I'm going to go ahead and check my gas line and make sure it's not dry rotted. And if it's long enough, I'm going to cut off both ends to make sure I got a nice tight fit on the carburetor and the primer bulb. Now that I got the gas line on there, I'm going to go ahead and stick it through here. I'm going to attach the other gas line. Make sure you don't get nothing in these gas lines. I'll attach the main gas line to the longer tube. Oh, look, there's the other primer bulb that comes with it in the pack, and that's probably for a craftsman or one that don't take this entire setup. I'm going to go ahead and snap this in there. Now I'll go around to the back, slide the gas line back on. Now it's not too loose, it's not too tight. I still got some play there. Here, as we can see, the primer bulb's working. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the cover on it. Spark plug wire and stick it through there. Now go ahead and drop this down in here like so. At this point, you can go ahead and put your plug wire back on. Pick your two bottom screws. This little drill here doesn't put them in there very tight, so I don't have to worry about it getting stripped out. Come around to the front, move this out of the way, put a screw here and a screw there. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.